High-fructose corn syrup, a ubiquitous yet controversial ingredient. But how does it truly compare to regular table sugar? Today, we're diving deep into their sweet chemistry. Many foods contain either sucrose or high-fructose corn syrup. Both sweeten our drinks and favorite processed snacks. Yet public perception often paints HFCS as the villain. Let's explore the science behind these two common sweeteners. Sucrose, or table sugar, is a disaccharide molecule. It comprises one glucose unit and one fructose unit. These two simple sugars are chemically bonded together. High-fructose corn syrup is different from this structure. HFCS is a mixture of free glucose and free fructose. Common varieties are HFCS 42 and HFCS 55. They contain 42% or 55% fructose, respectively. Sucrose primarily comes from sugarcane or from sugar beets. HFCS begins its journey from corn starch, however. Enzymes like amylase break starch into glucose. Then, glucose isomerase converts some glucose to fructose. This process was refined in the 1970s, making it efficient. It created an inexpensive, liquid sweetener for widespread use. When consumed, sucrose is quickly broken down. Fructose. HFCS delivers free glucose and fructose directly. HFCS delivers free glucose and fructose directly. Therefore, metabolically, they are handled very similarly. Both glucose and fructose eventually reach your liver. Excess intake of either can lead to metabolic issues. HFCS gained popularity due to government corn subsidies. It became cheaper than imported cane sugar by the 1980s. Food manufacturers readily adopted this cost-effective option. Its liquid form also offered easier mixing and transport. The perception of HFCS worsened over subsequent decades. Many blamed it for the obesity epidemic, sparking controversy. This led to no HFCS labels appearing on various products. The scientific consensus reveals crucial similarities between them. Both sweeteners deliver roughly equal amounts of fructose. The difference in their immediate absorption is minimal. Most experts agree moderation is the main concern. The issue is overall sugar intake, not the specific source. Distinguishing between them largely misses the bigger picture. Ultimately, both sucrose and HFCS are concentrated sugars.
Their chemical structures differ slightly, impacting production.
But the body processes their fundamental components identically, instead on reducing total impacting add to production sugar consumption. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.